Behind me is the Vios J. And actually, meron dito Vios XE. Para siyang Vios J, basic interior, pero automatic. That's the Vios XE. Pero ito yung pupuntahan natin ngayon is Vios J, the manual version. Tara. So yan. This is the Vios J. Yan, mapapansin nyo, wala siyang fog lights. Hindi siya naka-mugs. Pero meron siyang wheel cover. Yan. Nice. So actually, naging basic to para mainly para mas bumaba yung price. Yan. Kaya tara, pasok tayo. So ito yung design ng side mirror. Yan. Black design. Then the door handle is also black. Tara. Yan. So ito yung design ng door panel niya. Yan. Dito yung lock. Pang open ng door. Meron pa rin itong central lock. Yan ang maganda. Alright. May central window lock also. And 4 controls sa windows. Alright. May cup holder tayo here. Extended. And speaker. Then here is, yan, ganda, meron tayong pang-open ng compartment, then pang-open ng gas. So this is the Vios J. Yan. Alright. So pasok tayo. So here, ang control here is the traction. Yan. Ito naman, matatanong nyo, ba't walang mga nakalagay dito? Is itong mga to is nakaabang for any future upgrades. So dito nyo pwede ilagay yung button. Right. So ito yung design ng aircon nya. Right. Then this is the steering wheel. Nakabaliktad lang siya. Then ito ang design ng speedometer nya. Yan. Analog with counting LCD. Yan. So, for sure, expected nyo to for the Vios J. Ang gantong mga variant na base is, of course, basic din ang stereo. Though ito, touch to, segmented touch ang tawag. Wala siyang actual button na pinipindot, pero touch siya. Yan. So, yan, maganda yan. Then, aircon vent, hazard, circulation, defogger. So yan, rotary ang design niya. Very basic, very simple, very easy to use. Yan ang maganda dyan. So ito naman airflow. Meron sa feet. Then pwede rin sa face nyo lang ang flow ng aircon. Then yan, dito tayo may cup holder tayo under. Then this is the shift knob. Nakatanggal lang yung knob right now. Yan. Kasi nasa loob tayo ng showroom. Then this is the handbrake, of course. Meron kang power supply here. Yan. Then ito, additional compartment. So, dito naman is yan. Meron tayong light here. Meron siyang off door function, then lit. Itong lit naman, ibig sabihin niya iilaw yan dalawa. So, check nga natin kung may mirror here. Okay, walang mirror here. Right? Then at the driver's side, wala din. Yan. So, dito is, yan, compartment natin. Maganda siya, malapad, and meron siyang segment, yan, dito and here. So, may divider here, Yan, nice. Ganda. And another speaker here at the passenger side, front row. Yan. So, yan, same design, of course. Yan. Then, actually, ang side mirrors natin is manual adjust. So, hindi pa siya power. Yan. Alright. Of course, this is the Vios J. This is the base variant. Mostly, pwede itong ginagamit for Grab, taxi, yan, or any public use vehicle. Yan. Tara, punta tayo second row. So, going to the second row is, yan. Same design as the front. Yan. Isang speaker, extended cup holder, door handle, window. So yan. Yan. Very spacious naman ang second row niya. Pasok tayo, guys. Yan. So yan ang view niya for the dashboard. Yan. Kung kukuha niyo itong financing, actually, mas mababa monthly nito, of course. Given, syempre, na mas mababa ang price nito. Yan. Alright. So ito check nyo yung tuhod ko ang luwag pa. Yan. Yan, walang galawan yan Ang luwag Yan. Alright. Yan. Headroom. Yan. Hindi nito masusukat of course, pero by the look of this, yan, maluwag siya. Alright. So ito na, tignan natin yung compartment Alright, yan. Actually, maluwag to. Sobra. Kahit dalawang malaking luggage kasya dito. Very ideal to. Madalas yung Vios J for public use. Yan. Pero pwede rin naman for private use. Especially para doon sa mga manual mode na drivers. So this is the design ng gulong. Steel rim siya with wheel cover. And turning signal light. Ganda. So yan. Actually itong Vios J hindi siya mas madalas na may available. Pero if after kayo sa discount, I suggest mag Vios XLE kayo. Dahil nasa Vios XLE madalas ang malalaking discount, mababang down payment. And mostly ang mass production in Philippines is the Vios XLE. So yan. Parang ganyan na rin yung Vios XE. Ito naman kasi Vios J, so manual transmission siya. Alright. So that's it. By the way, pwede sa amin dito trade-in Any brand tinatanggap namin. Bye.